Okay, let's go find Amy. I don't know where she's hiding today. Oh, she's not by the chickens. Oh, ow, I was attacked by chicken. Ow, they're picking on me. Where's Amy? She's bullying me.
I know.
She's picking on me, literally.
She does bully. You want to see something? Ta-da!
Nice. You can go over right here, just between them.
Yeah. Oh, between her here.
Well, if you go like between this and between that. Nope. Sorry. Okay, hold the camera.
Dude!
Well, you don't need to go under it. You just need to go between them like this.
Okay.
Then they won't flip down.
There we go. Ta-da!
There you go. See?
I should have power now.
Yep. And now you can.
This is Vladimir's little device.
Yep. The camera. That's what I do.
We've gotten some fun things on camera.
Anyway, there you
I'll
go.
fix it. I'll fix it.
Okay, back to you.
Back to me. Look, can you see this on camera?
Well, you're putting more stuff on top, yes?
So I said, can you see this on camera?
Well, if you cut closer.
I've been trying to work on it and it's giving me troubles. And I had a board here that I had tacked in, but that's not how I'm going to do it because I need to have regular access to the roof because I need to prune these about 1.5 feet away from the roof. One of you guys told me to do that, and I'm like, that's very smart. Also, the roof ridge, the thingy, I had one of those, and that's on there now too. In fact, all right, let's look at it from the inside. It's done. The roof is up on there. I have to tack more things down, which has to do with where I have access right now, which is why I took this down, because I couldn't get up there until I took it down. And that's how my steps were. I'm like, okay, I'm going to put this up here. Then to tack them down better there, I need access there, so I'll take that off. But I need to be ready to put protection right back on. Because, right, like, we have a cat, and one of my neighbors says that, like, about half a mile away from us, there are raccoons, which means raccoons will eventually come here.
And raccoons can go through this hole, like right there.
Oh, yeah, I know. I'll be working on that. I will.
Yeah, those are smart creatures. They can sneak.
They are. That's going to look really cool, though. When I'm done with that, you're going to be like, wow, Amy, that's pretty. Let's see. And I promised you last week that I was going to have a surprise decoration, but it didn't work out. Exactly. The surprise for Vladimir and you is this. See, it's only half up because I measured, but I didn't measure all the way and I couldn't shut the door. So I got it all done. I'm so excited. I'm going to put it up here and Vladimir's going to go, wow. And the door wouldn't shut. I was like, oh man. So I have a solution. It's taking a bath. I like it when they take baths out here. When I'm done, all done in here, I'm going to clean this up and rake it out and try to make their dirt in here a little more dusty. If any of you have ideas about how to make dirt more dusty, but now it's not going to get water on it to turn into mud and like a hard floor like this, you know, it's hard. Anyway, but the other thing that I think Vladimir knew about, I don't know, did you know about the planter boxes?
I don't know. What do you mean?
before I was gonna do them?
I don't know. You told her.
That's the other surprise. Is the planter boxes, which also are not finished. But I got plants for them. I watered them yesterday. I haven't planted them yet because didn't have time. And I didn't have time. I'd figured in the time, except for one problem. The deepest part here to level it out, well, right there were a bunch of rocks with mud and dirt embedded all around them and squished together, jumbled all together up tight, that because they were sharp, didn't move easily. And I mean, I was even like, instead of digging them out, sometimes it was breaking the rock. I had the big pick shovel out, the big rock breaker out, and I spent like an hour and a half getting it that deep. And remember, like, you know, why am I doing this again? Because I had the same problem when I put those garden beds in there back there, the short ones. And that's about when I was crying back then too. But I didn't cry this time because I was like, I know why I'm doing it. I want the pretty flowers. And look, I got the pretty flowers. So I will level this out a little more. We'll fill this back in. And this one's not even, I just have the panels all done because I didn't have enough time because of those rocks there. Not tiny rocks, big rocks, but here I have to do the same thing. Dig into there so it'll be nice and level and very, very pretty. The other thing this week, yes, this looks uglier because I thought I'd finished that yesterday, but I didn't, and I need to finish it today, but look. There will be the same kind of trim right up there. And look at what else I had to spend some time doing. Yep. I think you've seen the camera sweep over like the idea concept half finished bit of it before. Because I know Vladimir puts the camera like everywhere, but here it is. This part finished. Let me tell you what's going to happen here too. So if you see, so this here is going to be another little garden bed, but in this case a retaining wall garden bed to make this level. Dirt there behind the retaining wall, garden flower bed, and it will, yeah. And the horticulture bed, but right now there's a whole bunch of extra chicken wire that I threw off. That's where I am today. Oh, and I decided to kind of throw the extra bricks out. You can see I pretty much yanked them out and put that thing in there for the fire pit. So a lot of things coming together. But one thing, sometimes I work here and I'm getting things done and then my gaze sweeps out. And it can be discouraging because my yard here still looks like a trash heap. But progress. I am making progress. And right now it's not even about progress versus perfection. There's like no way I can finish it. So it's all progress. And it's been a challenging week because I did have my daughter come over from California and I wanted to get everything finished for it. But I wasn't able to get it all finished. The rocks I told you about, and there's always tiny little, oh, this doesn't work well. I need to fix this. Oh, in order to do this correctly, I need to do this. Because when I'm building something, even though really it's far from perfect, I do want to make sure that everything is secure. Oh, Vladimir's picking up the brown hen. You want me to have her?
Yeah, because she's literally picking on me.
Oh, You don't like to be here. I know, you don't like it. You don't like it at all. You're okay. Yeah.
She doesn't.
No, she doesn't.
Also, you need to wake up in the middle of the night one time.
Oh, Vladimir, that's a story. So I checked the weather. The weather said 0% precipitation. There you go. So I'm like, okay, I can leave my air compressor out. I use the air compressor for the staplers. And I, there's my tools out there, like I'm working on it. And I'm asleep, and Vladimir's like, did you put your tools away under tarp? I'm like, no, it's not gonna rain. Well, except the little tools. But then it turns out I forgot to grab the bag of little tools. I'd put them in the bag. Anyway, and I see a flash of light. And at first I'm like, that was Vladimir's phone turning on. And then I hear a rumble. And I see another flash of light and another rumble. And I was like, oh man. And I didn't hear rain. I'm like, I don't hear any rain, honey. He's like, it says it's raining. By the time I got clothes and shoes on to come out here, it was raining pretty good. So I rush out, I throw the tarp on that first, because that's the one, and then I run out there and say, oh crap, I left my green bag of tools out there too. Grab the green bag and the air compressor and the stapler and rush them all up and throw them in the shed. That's what I did. And then I'm like, oh, it's gonna be so hard to get back to sleep, adrenaline and this, but I was so tired that, like, I calmed my brain down with only one game of solitaire, and then I'm like, oh, and I went back to sleep. Good tired, right? Good tired. Yeah, that's what's going on in the backyard.
She is bullying me today. She's picking on me.
You don't have any treats.
I know. She just keep on picking on me.
Yeah. There's been frustrations, but I've got a lot done. One more thing I did today. Look at this. You know what this is, hon?
Waiting for the door.
Another door. So it's gonna be pretty. But that chicken coop is almost finished. And then I get to do the garden beds. And when the garden beds are done, that gets cleaned up. That's what's gonna happen. Because all the organic debris, whoosh, is gonna go in them. And then I get to do the countertop cabinets inside the house. Ah! And I'm like, I see it coming. I'm excited. So if you want to see all this stuff come together, subscribe and like. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.